In 2025, the winners won't be the marketers, developers, engineers, or even the designers. In fact, those are the people who will lose their jobs to AI. The winners, on the other hand, will be those who master AI and can control AI to do what they want, not the other way around. Now, how do I know this? I have made over $300,000 as a 23-year-old entrepreneur featured on Times Square and quite recently Business Insider for my AI skill. And I'm no genius or super workaholic who has no social life. I'm one of you. I just have AI skills that allow me to be 10 times more productive than the average person and provide 10 times more value. In this video, I'm going to tell you why AI generalists will dominate the next year, the 9 AI skills I know that you can learn to level yourself up, and exactly how to master those skills. This video is not just another learn AI to get rich. It's an undisputable, factually proven, hand-holding guide that's certain to make you unstoppable for the rest of the century. Before you can truly become a winner, you have to understand how to not be a failure in modern times. For centuries, those who have been able to adapt have lived longer, survived extinction, and been able to produce while being favored by natural selection. Now, we are no longer in a period where we have to worry about finding enough wood to light a fire to survive, but we are in a time where we spend over a decade of education just to make no money. Yes, 10 years of school for no return. Close friends of mine who hold bachelor or even master's degrees are unemployed, struggling to find a job and keeping a stable income. You and I might not be close friends right now, so I don't know what's going on in your life, but after talking to hundreds of people who have asked me to guide them, I have realized that so many people are in the same position of being jobless. This is modern day survival. Studies by McKinsey show that 14% of the global workforce will be replaced by AI in the year 2030. That's 375 million workers. 44% of companies plan to do layoffs throughout 2025 due to AI. With AI making rapid development every single day, the need for people with skills that were maybe needed 5 years ago is becoming less and less. Companies used to pay designers $112,000 a year for 2D or 3D designs that can now be made with AI in just a matter of minutes. Top CEOs such as Mark Zuckerberg have said this about AI.
I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions of billions of different AI agents. I think that every business in the future, just like they have an email address and a website and a social media presence today, I think every business is going to have an AI agent that their customers can talk to in the future.
AI is coming to replace the average worker. Yes, that crying cat meme everyone loves on TikTok was also created by AI. The key to not losing to AI and to make AI work for you lies in 9 skills that can be grouped into 4 emeralds. You'll be able to grab each of these emeralds and become the ultimate force, which I'll explain in the next section of this video. If you're familiar with Sonic, I hope this puts a smile on your face. The 4 emeralds that you'll be able to acquire are the Build Emerald, the Automate Emerald, the Influence Emerald, and the Create Emerald. In this part of the video, I will show you exactly what each of these emeralds are, why they are so powerful, and the skills and tools needed to grab each emerald. Starting off with the Build Emerald. Think about the last time you had an amazing app idea that you knew would make millions, but you did not have any coding or development skills to actually go and create it. That $1 million idea was never even given a chance. Now, of course, you could have spent weeks finding a team of developers, paying them thousands to create the app, and then spending more time on top of that with constant back and forth just to get a half-baked app. I'd be pissed too. Well, this is no longer the case, and this is where we arrive at our first major skill, AI-assisted app development. You no longer have to spend $3,000 on a developer to create a UI when you can use a tool like Bolt or Replit to create an app for you just by giving instructions on what you want. Just talk to AI in regular English and it will know exactly what you want. See, I have been coding for 10 years and this right here would have taken me hours to create. But with Bolt, it's done in minutes. Absolutely magical. I now use Bolt for all apps and projects I have, and this is an essential skill if you want to turn your app ideas into apps on the App Store. And this is where we will acquire our next emerald, the Automate Emerald. Bolt can be seen as automating the creation process of an app in its early stages. And this idea of automation is what's causing layoffs. Regular jobs are no longer needed because an AI can do the exact same job without needing an $80,000 a year salary. This is where the Automate Emerald comes in. You see, the Automate Emerald holds the power to automate any task that can be done with a computer. The first skill that makes up this emerald, which is also the building block of AI, is prompt engineering. To make AI do what you want, you got to be clear as to what exactly you want. You see, as humans, we can't even decide if you want Chipotle or Cava for lunch, but you have to be as clear and decisive as you can when it comes to AI. Being able to write a good prompt that tells the AI what you want it to do is called prompt engineering. And the better you are at writing prompts, the less times you have to tell the AI to try again, make fixes, and just cause a headache for yourself. And this is just one of the building blocks of AI. You're gonna need the money printing skills that are about to come up. The second skill that comes with the Automate Emerald is being able to create AI agents. AI agents are like smart humans that are able to do a task in a very efficient manner. Being able to use no-code tools like N8N will help you build powerful AI agents in under an hour. In fact, I made a video where I built an influencer manager agent in 40 minutes using N8N. The NVIDIA CEO himself talked about how agentic AI will be the next trillion-dollar market. So I'm not joking when I say this is an emerald you must acquire. So after this video ends, go do some N8N work and create your first AI agent today. And if you want one-on-one help with me, click the first link in the description. But now guess what? There's an even easier skill than AI agent development, and that's no-code workflow automation. This means using tools such as Zapier or Make that can automate a simple series of steps you may do. Here's a real example of a workflow automation for one of my businesses. Every time someone books a call with me, they automatically get added to my newsletter and my Airtable CRM. This would be extremely annoying to have to manually do every single time someone books a call with me. If I didn't know how to automate this myself, I'd 1000% pay someone $300 to $500 to do something like this, to create this AI automation workflow. And guess what? This takes under an hour to do. So imagine if you pick up the skill, how much money you'll be able to make as just a part-time gig. $300, $400, $500 a day. And finally, if you want to connect your workflow automations with your AI agents and make this all a perfect all-in-one system, you will need to learn how to do API integrations. Tools such as Insomnia and Postman are great for testing API requests and making sure you are sending and getting data the way it's supposed to be sent and received. You see, if you have an AI agent that reads emails and it needs to tell your Zapier workflow, hey, I've read all the emails, you can send Ritesh a text saying all emails read. Your agent will need to send a request to Zapier's API to trigger your Zapier workflow automation. Just like how humans talk to each other via text, you can think of API integration as a way for agents and automations to all talk to each other. At this point, you are starting to feel like you are 5 times more knowledgeable and capable now than you were before you clicked this video. But we aren't done yet. Let's make you 10 times better. And to do that, you need to acquire the third emerald, the influence emerald. No, this does not mean putting your phone up and trying to pose cute for the camera. But this does involve one very big skill, and that's using AI to write for you. This is one of the most fundamental skills you will have in your toolkit. You see, every student in school has this skill of using AI to write for them because they use AI to write the essays for them for their homework or classwork. Well, in the real world, you can use AI to write LinkedIn or X posts about any topic, inspire any feeling, and you can go as viral as you want. And I'll tell you right now, using AI tools like Notion AI to script videos, TikToks, or blog posts will make it much easier for you to post more consistently. More posts means more success. All you have to do is use prompt engineering to tell the AI what to write about. Now, I find it best when you also give the AI some guidelines or examples of text that's similar to what you want the AI to make. For example, if you want to write a motivating post on LinkedIn, give the AI some examples of motivating posts that you like, maybe from your favorite LinkedIn influencers or even from favorite actors. Treat your AI like a friend, not a slave. And if you're someone whose goal is to increase your followers or maybe your clients' following, one of the best ways is to write a comment on a post that is so insightful, thought-provoking, and over the top that people who are viewing the comment section can't help but notice. You see this a lot when it comes to LeBron's comment section. If the comment has value or garners attention, then readers will click your profile. The more thought-provoking comments, the more interaction. Now, you're telling me you're spending time creating these thought-provoking comments? Probably not, because it takes time to think and write. So why would you spend so much time writing comments on posts? But guess what? With AI, it takes seconds. Maybe even use AI to write a comment under this video and see what happens. See how many people will actually go to your profile if your comment has real value in it. Now, with 3 emeralds in your hand, there's one that's left. It's the one that is honestly as powerful as the Automate Emerald, which I think is the most powerful emerald, and that is a Create Emerald. This emerald holds the power to use AI to create and assist with content. And content is king in 2025. OpenAI's tool Sora or ByteDance's AI tool OmniHuman can create realistic videos of humans that you can't even tell were built with AI. OmniHuman in particular just needs an image and it can turn that one static image into a captivating video. If that's not mind-blowing, I don't know what is. That viral cat meme on TikTok makes thousands of dollars every single month and takes the creator only seconds to create each image. The creator most likely uses DALL-E or Midjourney to create high quality images of cats. The process looks like this. The creator simply uses prompt engineering, again, one of the building blocks, to tell the image creation AI, hey, I want a crying cat. And the AI does the rest. Maybe the creator tells the color, the size of the cat, how much it wants it to be crying, how depressed it wants it to be, and the AI takes in all this and makes an image that captures all that. It takes seconds and it's very easy. Now you might say, well, that's cool, but I want to be in the video, not some crying, slightly obese cat. Well, did you know you can use AI to help make the video of you better? Yes, you can use AI to assist you, not just create for you. You can use AI to upscale videos, improve lighting, speed up the entire editing process, and make life easier. With AI, you can create more videos faster. You can use tools like Opus AI that take long form videos and turn them into like thousands of clips that you can post on TikTok and Instagram and get some ad revenue. The potential is insane. So do you believe me now? Don't you feel like you could deliver 10 times more value by knowing these skills and this blueprint that I gave you? If you do, I'd appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe for more, because this is just the beginning. We're not finished.